తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా జగిత్యాల జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ కార్యాలయంలో ప్రభుత్వంచే నిర్వహించిన తెలంగాణ ఆవిర్భావ దినోత్సవ వేడుకల్లో ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరైన మైనార్టీ వెల్ఫేర్ మినిస్టర్ మహమ్మద్ అజారుద్దీన్, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ సత్యప్రసాద్తో పాటు పాల్గొన్న జగిత్యాల ఎమ్మెల్యే డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ కుమార్ ఈ సందర్భంగా మొదటగా అమరవీరుల స్తూపానికి నివాళులు అర్పించి పోలీస్ గార్డ్స్ ద్వారా గౌరవ వందనం స్వీకరించారు. అనంతరం జిల్లా సమీకృత కలెక్టరేట్ కార్యాలయంలో జాతీయ జెండా ఆవిష్కరణ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఎస్పీ అశోక్ కుమార్, అదనపు కలెక్టర్ రాజగౌడ్, లైబ్రరీ చైర్మన్ దినేష్ కుమార్, జిల్లా కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ అధ్యక్షులు గాజంగి నందయ్య, మున్సిపల్ చైర్పర్సన్ సమిండ్ల వాణి శ్రీనివాస్, ఏఎంసీ చైర్మన్ గడ్డం నారాయణరెడ్డి, కౌన్సిలర్లు, నాయకులు, అధికారులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ దరూర్ క్యాంప్ జగిత్యాల హెచ్ఎం గారిని అందుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. కేజీబీవీ మేడిపల్లి అదేవిధంగా బెస్ట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇన్ సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్స్ పంపిణీ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. గౌరవ మంత్రి గారు మరియు అతిథుల మహిళా సంక్షేమమే ధ్యేయంగా, మహిళా సాధికారతే లక్ష్యంగా పనిచేస్తూ ఈరోజు గౌరవ మంత్రి గారు గ్రామ పంచాయతీ సింగారపు లక్ష్మణ్ ముందుగా అందుకుంటారు.
Hearty greetings to the people of Jagtial district, public representatives, officials, journalists and students who are gathered to celebrate Telangana State Foundation Day on June 2nd. On this auspicious occasion, I extend my warmest wishes to the people of Jagtial district as they celebrate this momentous day with grandeur. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Anumala Revanth Reddy, our government is moving forward with the Telangana Rising 2047 vision to position Telangana at the forefront of India and the world. Our resolve is to make Telangana a game changer in transforming India by 2047. The Telangana Rising 2047 vision document embodies this commitment inspired by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's ideals of ensuring social, economic and political justice for every citizen. We are governing the state with people-centric policies to achieve planned development and encourage public participation. We have identified the state into three global themes: pure, and rare. 99-day People's Governance Progress Plan, with the aim of bringing the welfare schemes and development programs of the People's Government closer to the people. The 99-day People's Government Progress Plan has been successfully implemented in Jagtial district from March 6, 2026 to June 2, 2026. The plan focuses on 10 key points with effect from village to district. First, to Bhrata, pending fire clearance, road safety arrive, Samsevam Pilla Bhadrata, no to drugs, right to Samsevam, Vidya, Yuvata Kridalu. Mahila Samsevam, Paryavanam. The Indira Gandhi Mahila Shakti Program is commendable initiative aimed at empowering women with ₹1 lakh crore interest-free loans. The goal is to create 1 women crorepati, 40 mandi Mahilalanu, 40 crore cheyadame laksham in 5 years. In the district, 783.70 crore loans have been disbursed and 793.74 crore interest rate for 2025-26. Sri Nidhi has given 80 crore loans this year, further boosting women's economic independence. Women's youths are set to operate RTC buses, a petrol pump in Kurutla and a solar power plant in Sarangapur are planned, showcasing diverse opportunities. During the Sangi season 2025-26, paddy worth 292 crore procured from 15,000 302 farmers during. Additionally, plans are made to assist 1 lakh women's collective efforts at district headquarters. Rupees 500 crore fund sanctioned for reflect the government focus on women's empowerment and rural development, aiming for holistic growth and self-reliance. The program and economy overall is a multifaceted approach towards achieving gender equality and prosperity. Mahalakshmi Pathakam. In the district, a significant number of women have benefited from government initiatives. 7.69 crore women availed free bus service, saving rupees 318.99 crore. This has enhanced the mobility and accessibility. Under Mahalakshmi scheme, 1,90,417 gas cylinders are provided to beneficiaries at rupees 500, with the government bearing rupees 23.7 crore subsidy. These efforts aim to support women's welfare, reduce household expenses, and promote their overall well-being. The initiative reflects the government's focus on empowering women and improving their quality of life. By providing these benefits, the government is contributing to women's economic stability and independence. Overall, these schemes are making a positive impact. Gruha Jyoti. The government is issuing zero bills to beneficiaries using up to 200 units of electricity, benefiting many households. In the district, 167.1111 crore has been paid for 2.10 lakh services, showcasing the government's effort to support citizens. This initiative aims to reduce the financial burden on electricity users, promoting welfare and accessibility. By covering these costs, the government is ensuring that essential services remain affordable. The move is part of broader efforts to enhance citizen well-being and support vulnerable groups through targeted interventions. Overall, this reflects the government's commitment to citizen welfare and development. Indira Mahila Shakti. In the district, under Indira Mahila Shakti, the target has been fixed of 13.33 crore for 381 units for eligible beneficiaries. Rupees 8.75 crore loans have been facilitated for 376 women's groups, and in 5 municipalities, rupees 36.23 crore loans were sanctioned to 13,300. Mahila Shishu Divyangula Vayovruddhula Shakha. Across the district, total 1,065 Anganwadi centers are providing nutritious food to 11,758 pregnant women and lactating mothers, 30,282 THR children and 14,102 young children. Additionally, disabled beneficiaries have received 16.50 lakh worth of support, including retrofitted vehicles, laptops and assistive devices. A 50-bed government old age home constructed at 1.25 crore has also been inaugurated to provide care for the elderly. Indira Hindu. Under Indira Hindu, the government aims to fulfill every poor person's dream of a home. 10,860 houses have been sanctioned, 1,274 of 7,745 under construction are completed, and 202.53 crore has been disbursed so far. Aruran Drigi Ration Kadu. In the district, total 45,670 new ration cards sanctioned, registering 86,024 family members. 3,52,072 families received 1,938 tons of fine rice for April-June, showcasing efficient public distribution. This initiative supports numerous households, reflecting the government's commitment to citizen well-being. The effort ensures essential supplies reach those in need, demonstrating effective governance. Vyavasaya Shakha. In the district, 444 paddy procurement centers were set up and 3.97 lakh metric tons of paddy were procured from 55,000 141 farmers. The total amount of 745.13 crore was deposited directly into the farmers' account. The government is implementing various schemes for farmers' welfare under Indiramma Raitu Bharosa. 166.16 crore was deposited for SRG 2025-26 benefiting 2.30 lakh farmers. Additionally, 271.02 crore was provided to 5,424 families under Raitu Bima. The government is also implementing agricultural scientists at the farmers' doorstep. The wellness session held in 64 villages from April 27 to May 23. This initiative aims to provide farmers with expert advice and guidance, enhancing their agricultural practices.